Hey everybody, so this is just a little how-to to use your Amazon Basics shredder. So it's really pretty easy how to use it. You can see that's the bin where everything that you've shredded goes into. So basically, you're going to put the wheels on, then you're going to plug it in, make sure it has power, and then you're going to go to the switches. So the round where it is right there is it's off, and so it has two on modes. First, one click to the right, the line, it's the auto feed. So if you put paper in, it will automatically detect it and start to shred. The next one, the fast forward, is where you can actually make it manually go. Now, if you get too much stuff and it kind of gets jammed up, you can move it into this last position, which is the reverse position. It will actually spin backwards to try to get any jams or anything like that out of your shredder. So to use your shredder, you just want to put your paper or whatever you're trying to shred as straight into the machine as possible. And there's actually a separate slot for putting CDs in. And you basically just want to put it in, and as soon as you feel it grab hold, let go of it. It is very sharp and it is very grindy. So, and then finally, you can see when it's full, there's actually a little transparent part of the bin. You can see when it needs to be emptied. So that's it. How to use it. Pretty simple. Hope that's helped. Thanks for watching.